Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you how to start affiliate marketing here in 2023. As a complete beginner, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Affiliate marketing has absolutely changed my life. It's allowed me to buy 3 investment properties. It's allowed me to buy my dream cars. It's allowed me to travel. It's allowed me to do so many amazing things because I don't need to worry about product fulfillment. I don't need to worry about customer service. All I do is create content, send website visitors, and I make money. As a matter of fact, a recent promotion this month brought in over $18,000. So I'm going to walk you through the framework that I follow to produce these kinds of results. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, go ahead, drop the video like. And also, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok, I'm going to make a follow-up video to this one. And if you want access to that, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also tick the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's jump into the computer. Let's show you this process step by step. So first off, you guys are in the right place at the right time, because if we look at affiliate marketing on Google Trends, you can see the interest reached its all-time high between December and January, which means there's more people now than ever that are looking to affiliate marketing as a business model because of the amazing benefits. We can actually go back here to roughly 2018, where it just had an interest of 22, and now it peaked at 100 in mid-December, and now we're still at 73. So people are just realizing the opportunity that affiliate marketing has to offer. So step 1 here is that you need to pick a niche. Now, the best way to do that is to just simply join an affiliate network. The affiliate network that I would recommend that you join is over on clickbank.com. So you can go ahead and you can type in clickbank.com. You can click on start here. You can set up an account. And when you do that, you'll be able to get access to the marketplace. So all you need to do is just fill out this information here, answer these questions. So for example, please select the primary reason you're signing up for an account below. You can say, I'm new to this and not sure where to start. Just answer these questions honestly and complete the on-screen instructions here. There's just a few of them. And once you complete them, and this is actually a brand new process that they're sending people through now, which I really like, so they can customize exactly what your needs are to give you the affiliate resources that will help you and your business the most. So we can put like search engine here. You could put, YouTube video. You heard about them from me. And then, you just, on step number 7 here, begin to create your account, set up your email address, so on and so forth. And once you do that, then it will take you inside of the members area right here. Once you get logged in, then what you can do is you can go over here to the marketplace. Under marketplace, you have tons and tons of different categories. What I like to do, if you're somebody that's brand new, you can sort and go through all these different categories here just to get an idea of what products are being offered. But this next step is really, really crucial, because you want to pick a niche, and it's not even about the offer, because you're going to promote many different offers in one niche. The best niche to go into is the one that you're most interested in, passionate about, or you already have knowledge within. Because you need to understand your business is going to be built around this niche long term. We're talking decades, if possible. I understand that people grow out of niches, they want to go into other niches, but what you need to do is you need to think long term about the niche you're going to go into. What a lot of people do is they make the mistake of just picking one product and then promoting that product in sort of a linear fashion and thinking that it's going to make them money quickly. You have to look at your business as many different products and ongoing. It is smart to go into a niche where this niche has multiple problems and multiple products that can be offered. So for example, if we're thinking about diet and weight loss, right? There's many different products that can be offered. There's nutrition plans. There's actual weights that can help people lose weight, like selling fitness equipment, for example. There's workout regimens. There's so many different things that could be sold under the umbrella of weight loss, and you can create continuity with that. So make sure that you pick a niche that's ongoing, that has many different problems that can be solved. And if it doesn't, that's completely fine too. There's still a lot of money to be made. You just won't be able to capitalize as much with linear business models that just have one product. So what we're gonna do here is, let's say we're really into health and fitness. We're just gonna click on the health and fitness tab here, and we're gonna look at the different products that are being offered. And you can see that some of these are like dietary supplements. You can see that this one is in the dental niche. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just doing some preliminary research to see what types of products that I could be promoting. Now, a lot of these products, they could work if you're like running paid advertising to them. And let's say you're not building a brand, which that type of marketing can work, but it can also be short term. For example, Facebook ads became super, super popular. A lot of people were making a lot of money with Facebook ads, but Facebook decided to raise their ad cost. They also became more strict when it came to advertising, and they were shutting people's accounts down. So if you're somebody that's trying to build a business and you're just simply running ads, you have no business if your business is just reliant on paid advertising or like Facebook ads, because things can change at any point in time. So it's important to build a brand and create organic content. We'll be talking about that in just a second. But again, you cannot look at your business as linear and just promoting one product, because what if that product also goes under and it's not available anymore, and your business was built around that whole entire product with something like paid advertising? Then you have to move on to the next thing and you're starting completely over. So you can see all the categories right here too as well. We got men's health, mental health. We've got like nutrition right here, high cholesterol, new blood sugar protocol. This is based off of most likely diabetes. So we're kind of getting an idea. You don't even have to select a product at this point. You just want a general idea of what types of products are being offered within each of these categories. So let's just jump over here to diets and weight loss, because a lot of times supplements are just get rich quick fads for a lot of companies, and they don't actually work, especially some of them that are hosted on certain affiliate marketplaces. And so it might be useful in some cases before you start to promote a product. You want to be a testimonial of it. You actually want to purchase the product. You want to go through it. You want to get results with it. And then what you want to do is you want to document your journey. And that's part of the organic marketing process. And let's also say I wanted to promote this smoothie diet product. All I would need to do is click on the promote button right here, and then click on create hop link. And this is the link that I could share across social media and like in the description of my YouTube videos. But let's just go through a few more here. And you could see that, average conversion right here in this specific marketplace, that means the average amount that you're gonna make if somebody goes through this whole entire sales process. And when they do that, because sometimes there's more than one product being offered inside of the sales process, that's why it shows this average conversion here. So don't just go for the highest average conversion. Again, you want to be ethical. You want to make sure that you're promoting products and services that you genuinely believe in, that you personally use. So what you could even do is you can look for reviews of these different products out there on Google. Make sure that they're real ethical reviews, or not just reviews that have been created by a third party and slapped up with an affiliate link. And usually you could tell, by looking at some of these video reviews or looking at some of these articles. But you could very well, and most of these have like a 30-day money back guarantee or a 60-day you could purchase one of these products. And again, you can go through it and see if that product works for you, and then take the knowledge from that product of what you just learned, the transformation that you just had, and start documenting that and showing that on social media platforms like YouTube, which leads us to our next phase, which is actually creating the content. Okay, documenting your journey is the best thing that you can do if you know nothing about a niche. So I'd mentioned that it's beneficial that you know and have knowledge about a specific niche, but I understand a lot of times people that are just getting started, they know nothing. And also they want to make money as quickly as possible. But what you have to realize is you need to have the knowledge first to be able to help other people have transformations, because your income is going to be in direct proportion to the amount of value that you give to the marketplace and how many offers you make. Now, if you're just spamming your affiliate link and you're making a lot of offers, but you're not giving a lot of value, then you're not going to be very successful with affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new, you want to take some time to build knowledge in a specific niche. So it's very simple. Get a product that you believe in, find one that you can believe in, use the product, get results with the product, and then share your transformation and the knowledge you gained to have that specific transformation. So what we would do is we would head over to youtube.com and you would just type in your niche right here. So if your niche was, for example, carnivore diet, okay, you have carnivore diet before and after, recipes, meal plan, results, weight loss, transformation, benefits. So just by typing in my niche, YouTube is automatically giving us so many different video ideas where we can create content around these specific topics here, start driving views to our channel, and that in turn will drive clicks to our affiliate link, which of course leads us to the very last step. So this video specifically right here is about, is a carnivore diet healthy? And what you could typically do, let's say if you are, documenting your journey about the carnivore diet, you're showing results, you're giving knowledge, you're talking about specific topics, you'll see what a lot of people will do in their videos is they'll talk about maybe a service that they're using. They'll also say it's a sponsored video by like Thrive Market or like Butcher Box, for example. And they'll have an affiliate link to those specific businesses where people could actually buy groceries, they can buy meat, so on and so forth. And then they'll get paid a commission when people decide to buy through their affiliate link, or they'll just get a direct deal from the company and get paid from the company. So those are two different ways that you can actually get paid. And then you could just simply, the last step is like you could do a full review on a specific product within your channel that helped you have that transformation. So for example, if we jump back over here to the Clickbank marketplace, let's say the smoothie diet completely changed our life. So as we're creating content, solving specific problems in our niche by doing the simple research on YouTube, we could then create a review video that really outlines a review on the product that changed, that we had the transformation with, and include that product link in the description. So not only can you include the product link in multiple videos, but also you can create a primary video that's a full review on the product, and you can generate a lot of affiliate commissions from that. After you master this organic marketing strategy on a platform like YouTube, then what you can start to do is you can start to do paid advertising over time. That's where it gets difficult because it depends on the price point of your affiliate products. If the price isn't high enough, a lot of times if you do paid advertising, you won't be making money whatsoever. And that's a point where you might want to think about creating your own products and having a combination of promoting your own products along with affiliate products. So then you could scale your business and you can start to do paid advertising. I really hope you got value from this video. I hope this helps you start your affiliate marketing journey. If you got value from this, let me know by liking this video. If you have any questions, let me know below. And if you want to receive that TikTok affiliate marketing video where I'll show you how from A to Z, how to start making money with TikTok and affiliate marketing, let me know below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.